Hi, my name is Gary, and I am a binary options trader. I have the blog freebinaryoptionssystem.com, and I like to review systems that I've found out there. Today, I'm looking at OptionBot, as well as two other binary options trading robots. One called the Binary Wealth Bot, which I've just purchased, and another one called Also Binary Bot, which I purchased last week. Now, basically, I've been using OptionBot for around about 2 months. Some of you may have seen my review of the software. I did a review around about the 8th of October, the day it was actually launched, and I actually find it to be a very, very good bit of software. Now, I just want to draw your attention that I have an account here with Trader XP. I've got just under $7,000 in there. I started off with 1,000. And OptionBot over the last 2 months has allowed me to bring that money up to that amount. I actually have accounts with quite a few other platforms, but I'm just going to be using the one for this example, for this video, because basically I want to pit each of these bits of software against one another. So the first thing that I want to talk about is how I'm going to be trading on OptionBot. I have had the advantage of using OptionBot for over 2 months. Today is the 10th of December 2012. Yeah, well, what I'll do is I'll tell you a little bit about what I do and why I do it. Firstly, OptionBot, the video on their website tells you, it shows you how to use the software. Oh, just an audible alert. What's that from? That's from this. I don't know what any of that means at the moment, so I'm just going to close that for a minute because it doesn't really concern me just yet. And I want to explain what I'm going to be doing. I'll take their advice as they come up. But basically, what OptionBot tells me to do is the default settings on their video. It says M15, which means the last 15 minutes. So basically, it's analysing the last 15 minutes. And what it's looking for is a 3-pip movement within 15 minutes. Now, they say that a 3-pip movement is quite a large movement. Well, it's not really a large movement in currency. However, in the last 15 minutes, if something's gone up or down in 3 pips, it indicates that something's on the move. So from that point of view, it is a fairly sizable movement. And what they do is when you get an advice, it tells you here on the left-hand side what currency pair you can choose. It analyzes all these 15 currency pairs here, tells you which ones to trade on, and it also tells you whether it's gone up or down. Now, it doesn't tell you what to do, it tells you what it's done. So if it says it's gone down, they preach that you should go up and vice versa. And it does actually work quite well. However, one thing that I think they should put on their website, which they don't, is the use of the charts. Now, you can choose each currency pair and it will show you historical data from AM charts. So you can see here, chart by AM charts. Now, I've looked into AM charts, and these are real charts, and they do give real information, but it's historical information. So it's a few minutes old. But that's fine, because if you've got it set to at least M5 or the default M15, between OptionBot and the chart, you have a clear picture of what's happening. So whenever I get an advice from OptionBot, if it tells me that the market's gone up, i.e. they want me to put a trade on going down, I will first look at the chart, and if it's got what I call a downward trend, like this does, I'll put a trade on. So if it says to go, says that it's going down and it's going to go up, I'll just make sure that it is going down. And as you can see, like I'm here, Euro GBP started off fairly high, it's gone down, and then you can flick around and you can have a look again. Here, this is an upward trend. So if they tell me it's gone up, I want to make sure it has gone up, and I can verify that this information is correct. So I'm now going to go to Binary Wealth Bot. First thing I notice about Binary Wealth Bot is that it doesn't actually fit on the screen. Quite poor, really. So I don't really know what they're telling me to do. I know that we've got some crosses and ticks here. It's basically telling me that I can trade on all of these, but I can't actually see properly whether there's another line underneath, because you just can't move the software. Oh, there we go. Just about push it right to the top there. There we go. But it moves down again. So yeah, it's fairly poor software from that point of view. So going to the account balance, well, I'm trading within OptionBot, and I'm going to enter my balance. So I've got, let's see what it says. So I've got 6995.79. Oh, and it stopped working. Oh, okay. Well, that's not a really good start. I've had to close the program. Okay, well that kind of rules out them. So now I'm going to have a look at what OptionBot's told me to do. So now it's got a few currency pairs here that I don't like the look of. First of all, South African rand, ZAR moves a lot. So does ruble, so does Japanese yen. However, USD CHF, that's quite a good current. That's quite a good strong pair. So I'm going to select USD CHF. Okay, and that's just telling me it's gone down, and yes, it has gone down. So those two market conditions have been met. So I'm going to place an up trade on USD CHF. So I don't even know if they have them here. USD CHF. Okay, so I'm going to place an up trade. I've only got a few seconds to do this. I'm going to put 10% of my balance down, so 699. Apply. Approve. I've only got 30 seconds, so I've got to be quick. NZD USD, that's also a good currency pair. So I'm going to quickly go and have a look at that. Go to the chart. That's going up. It says it's gone up. So I've got to buck the trend and place down. So I've got 27 seconds. I've got to be quick. I must have NZD USD, surely. I don't, unfortunately. GBP USD, that's another great one. So let's just quickly look. GBP USD. There we go. Yep, that says going up. It is going up, so I'm going to place down on GBP USD. So down. Got to be really quick, and another 10% apply. Have I been quick enough? Have I made it? Approve. Okay. Yep. Okay. I've got both of those on there. Okay. There was a few others, but the next expiry is not for another half an hour. I'm quite happy with that. Euro USD would have been a good one, but I like to trade when there's not much time left to trade. I find that I get the best. Oh, Euro USD, look, I actually have 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Oh no. Oh, I've still got, yes, I've got 1 minute and 30 to put one on Euro USD. So Euro USD, what's that saying? Let's go here, Euro USD, and right, it says it is an upward trend. That's a massive peak actually. So yeah, I can believe that's going to come down. So I'm going to click put. And I'll put another 10% down because it seems a sensible amount to put down. GBP CHF, just to see if I can place a trade on that at all. Swiss franc is quite a strong currency, so okay, that expires in about half an hour. Yeah, not crazy about that. I'm happy with my Euro USD trade actually. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3 positions open. Obviously, binary wealth bot or whatever it's called crashed, so we've eliminated that one from the from this particular test. So now I just want to look at auto binary bot. Once again, the interface looks quite nice actually. It is just a web browser, really, to be fair. Not sure what to make of any of this information. Obviously that doesn't look very good, all the errors there. Quadra FX, not heard good things about Quadra FX to be fair. Heard they're a bit scammy. What's this QFX bin? That doesn't even fit in the window. Once again, really poor software. Okay, so I'm just going to go and see what it's telling me to do. It was telling me to put on Amazon. It's been telling me to do that since the software's gone on. I don't know if I'm meant to do that or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can do that on Trader XP. After all, if you look at the auto binary bot video, they do tell you to trade on Trader XP. So what would that be? That would be stocks, Amazon. There we go. Okay, not telling me to do anything. Bit worrying. It just says put. I mean, I know that WikiInvest, the people that supply the charts here, their charts don't seem to be very good. I'm not really sure what this is telling me, but it's been saying put for quite a while. Oh, but that option doesn't expire until 9 o'clock tonight. I'm not really a fan of. Oh, here we go. Here's one that closes at 3. I've got no positions can be put down. Okay. Well, what I'll do is I'm going to wait and see what happens with my 3 current trades that I've done through OptionBot, and just see how they deliver. So I'm going to pause the video just for a moment, although I do believe actually let me just check this. I think they actually do close in a minute. Yeah, okay, that one doesn't close until 3:30. That one, these two close at 3, so they're going to close in the next minute. So hey, that's not really a major problem. So I'm going to click on my portfolio and just have a look. Okay, so I want to look at my open ones at the moment, and here we go. Okay, they're looking quite good at the moment, actually, to be fair. These are the 2 that are most likely to pay out, and just counting down a couple more minutes. Oh, lots of buying options that link there. Okay. Check that as we go home. Right. Okay, so we're home. Right, so the time now, 20 seconds to go. This will be interesting. It'll be very interesting indeed. Yeah. So let's just see what happens. Right, okay, so that's just ticked over. Give it about 10 seconds for my positions to expire. Let's see what's happened. It looks like it's continued to go up. On USD CHF. Probably would have been better off to. Oh, it did go up. Okay, so yeah, that's paid out. Okay, so yeah, that's a significant profit. Euro USD can't seem to load for some reason. Okay, well, oh, there we go. Well, my balance has gone up quite a lot. Obviously, I'm still waiting for one to expire, so I'm just going to go into the portfolio. Probably a little slow. I noticed. This is actually the one downside to OptionBot I found, because it's analysing both the feed from their own source as well as the feed from the platform you're in. It can be quite heavy on the old CPU, and it can run a bit slow. As I've got a video recorder on at the moment, a screen recorder, it's really chomping my processing power. So that's why it's a bit slow. If it didn't have the video running, it's usually just about quick enough. So yeah, okay, so yeah, we're just looking here then. So both of the trades placed that OptionBot advised me to, that met both market conditions, were successful, and I profited quite considerably. And we just have to wait for the last one to expire, which is in half an hour's time. So what I'm going to do is pause the video, and I'm going to come back once it's nearly time for them to expire, see how it does, and then I'm going to try taking some advice from Auto Binary Bot if it does anything, because it actually hasn't seemed to have done anything, and I'm going to see if we can get that Binary Wealth bot to work as well. So back in a moment. Okay, so I've now come back half an hour later. There's 40 seconds left to go. I've had quite a lot of advice from OptionBot, from the feed, all down here. Now, move that. Okay. So I'm back. I've had quite a lot of advice on the side, and it's quite, quite a lot of trades that I could have made, but for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to let these ones play out and just see how successful it would be. So what I'm going to do is, it doesn't look like my trade payout is anything here, so I'm just going to have a look at my portfolio by clicking the link next to my account, and okay, let's click on open positions. Right, okay, so I said it was going to go down, and in that time I've had advice saying that it's gone down about 7 minutes ago. Actually no, that's about an hour and 37 minutes ago. So last few seconds are just ticking by, so I'm going to click back onto home. Hopefully the amount will go up. If not, I'm still in profit around $300. I'm more than happy with that. After all, it's for 30 minutes worth of trading. Just get this to load. Whilst that loads, I just want to click on to Auto Binary Bot. I've not had much advice on this at all, apart from the Amazon one that it was stuck on, Baidu and Facebook. They're saying to place trades, but these trades occurred a long time ago. And yeah, I mean, these are 10, 15, quarter past 10 in the morning. GMT is obviously much later than that now. So click back here. Oh, look, there we go. The balance has actually increased now to over 8,491.65. If I started off with just under 7,000, so it's about $1,500 US dollars profit in about half an hour. So that's really good. So yeah, here we go. We'll just have a look at this. So as you can see, these are the investments that I made, 699, 10% of what I had, and all three were successful through OptionBot. Now I haven't had much luck with Binary Wealth Bot. I'm clicking the tab now at the bottom. It just doesn't seem to be doing anything at all. Okay, yeah, no, that's completely died. I don't think I'll be placing any trades on that anymore. I'm going to close this window. It doesn't work. I won't be playing any trades at all. I don't really want to trust my money there. And if we go into this, well, they've not given me any advice for 5 hours. No, absolutely, pardon the expression, piss poor. Out and out scam software, also binary bot, and probably that wealth binary bot, or whatever it's called. Neither of them have done anything in all the time that I've been running the application. Yeah, OptionBot, the only one that has let's just close this utter shit down. Yeah, OptionBot, it's kept running, and it's maybe $1,500. So look, guys, if you've really want to start trading binary options, or if you want to up your game, please heed my advice. When you get an advice, check the chart to see if it's been happening over a long period of time. So if the two market conditions are met, i.e. if it says put, see if it's got a downward trend. If it has, do exactly what they say on the video and buck the trend. This is just on the default settings, and everything that OptionBot give you, they don't perhaps explain it as best as they could in the demonstration video. And to be fair, checking the chart is just something that I do. But as you can see, the results speak for themselves. Absolute success. Well, there you go. It's all there. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to buy OptionBot, you can do so via my affiliate link, which is at the bottom of this page. And also on the banners on the side of the page. I do get an affiliate commission if you purchase the bot through me. So it's up to you. You can either go to www.optionbot.net and cut me out, or you can pay exactly the same, and I get a commission for showing you how to work it. So all the best. Thank you.